palette of our planet.
Okay, that's okay.
Because our world is better
My kids didn't swim, so I don't know anything, but
Color
we go to
awakens our
Hawaii.
senses
We go there. Yeah.
and stirs our curiosity.
We live right by it.
The best way to find it is to get out there. Because at Delta, we believe expanding your horizons will expand your world.
Any family member has ever, in fact, walked to
We walked. Not that the kids would walk to school, but we walked. It's about that amount.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin in the back of the plane. Escape straps are located in overhead bins above each window exit and can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clearly marked with a green exit symbol. Locate the nearest exit and remember, they might be behind you.
If you lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tabs and then opening the pouch. Flip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are in a marked compartment in the rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap, secured your carry-on items, and put your armrests at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. While we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
She said it was a quality of life change. She couldn't encourage us more to do that. I'm like, I can't do that now. I don't know. I like to hear her out there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do thank you for your attention to our safety video. At this time, the cabin lighting will be dimmed for the duration of the flight. You can find your individual reading light as well as your personalized air vent located in the center console above your seat. Thank you.
flight deck. We are number 1 for takeoff. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.